Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you how to I use this video to create the lyrics video. So first of all, I just create a blank new video, and then I download the audio library. The song is called Merry Christmas. Download, and then I upload to the Canva library. So this is I download that. So now I need to adjust the timing or the duration. So I just come in here, then the duration is second. So after convert, I try to put 150 second. Then I need to adjust this becoming 0, and then I click the video. The music. So now I scroll to the duration here to adjust the perfect match. Okay, now what I want to do is coming the elements, and then you can searching about the Christmas background. So here in the Canva they have a lot the Christmas background like this, and like this as well. So previous time I already searched this element, so I will just do it like this. Then this one, so like these two picture is look like have a leveling for the snow mountain. So here the white color sky background I changed to blue. So this is the outcome look like this. So now already have a image and the song. We have some elements, for example like Christmas. We can make smaller, or it's optional. All is optional, so you can just design by yourself. So the main point is we want to running the music, and then we split individually. So before that I can use Santa Claus like this. This one after we finish this long column video, then we can separate individually, add in or delete or reposition. So now I can put another one here. This, right click, send it back. This very happy gingerbread boy just over here. Then we can do some adjustment, okay, like this. So after we have this basically the animation, so we can continually separate or split the video clip. So now we just press the button. Okay, so before that, one more time. Okay, it's correct. So now sorry about that, one more time. Okay, here, split it. So here they have without any lyric. Then now we click continue running, and then stop again. Okay, press it, and then coming here to split it, you can press S button on the keyboard, or you right click here to split it. Okay, then this one we want to put is the text. Then this text I put on the center here. You can see the red color line here is a guideline, and then I can change the alphabet, the sentences of the text becoming red color. And then I have prepared the lyrics, and then just copy and paste it to continually do the job repeatedly like this. So like this, then we also can use this becoming any animation you want. Then we copy and paste. So this the third clip, the third, number 3 at the third, before I split anything, just paste it over here. So here we can listen one more time and then split it again.
Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay, and then over here we split it continually.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Split, stop and split it. Then here is and a Happy New Year, if I'm not mistake. So let's take a look.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay, here we have to stop. So and then coming here, split it. So this text, I want to replace the correct lyrics. We will say and a happy and oh sorry and the Happy New Year. Copy it and then I change okay, and the Happy New Year. So every single this individual clip, you can replace the race, pan, pop, block, or stomp, or the roll as well. So once every single clip you've completely press and then coming here split again. So we will following step by clip by clip, then changing the text. Then after everything is done like this, I can individually to change the Santa Claus and gingerbread with different position and location. So I also can in the individual clip to apply the animation like a snow flow, and every clip he will look like animation there. So for example, now bring us some figgy pudding. So we can put different pudding the clip inside there. So just for take a look like this.
Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we.
So this is the way I'm create the lyric video. So this is a simple way to create. So I hope you enjoy this video. So before I ending this video, let's enjoy this full video I'm created. So now because this text we also can do some new function in the Canva. So we just come here, the 3 dot here, and then coming the show timing. So here they have mentioned actually the length we can adjust, and then we can adjust where he come out. Okay, before anything, any text, then come out like this, then go disappear, then we continually. So now let's take a look the
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding.
Okay, thank you for your watching. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.